One of the most popular saunas right now is the Barrel Sauna. Now there's plenty of options out there, but when it comes to pure quality, nothing comes close to SDS Australia's European-made Barrel collection. We're here in the south of Brisbane with the client's recently installed Halo Cozy 225, one of the more intimate models from our collection, which features a wide range of sizes including the larger Comfort series. No matter which design you choose though, the thing that every one of our barrels has in common is their world-class construction. Unlike many other saunas on the Australian market, which are cheaply pieced together with finger-jointed timbers and toxic glues, our European-made barrels are crafted from completely solid 40mm thick Thermo Spruce, offering incredible insulation with absolutely no toxins inside. Supplied by Thermo, one of Europe's leading architectural timber brands, this timber has Class 1 certification and offers over 25 years of rot resistance. Inside, the benches and flooring are made from invitingly smooth Thermo Aspen, an absolute favourite in Europe when it comes to sauna builds. The facing layout of the Thermo Aspen benches makes the barrel perfect for socialising or simply laying back and relaxing, while rejuvenating in the immersive heat that our recommended Javier and Hum electric or wood-fired heaters provide. Shop our European-made barrel collection today at sdsaustralia.com or head to our Australian showrooms and speak with our sauna experts.